Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics so we can eliminate obvious blockers. First, check your internet connection and load another site. If that works, Gmail's not the network. Next, disable browser extensions and open a private window because extensions often block scripts. Then clear the browser cache for mail. Google.com and restart the browser to force fresh files. Once done, try loading Gmail again. If it opens, you've solved the issue. If not, proceed to deeper steps. Now you do more detailed diagnostics to isolate the problem. First, verify Gmail's service status, and if possible, switch to mobile data or a different network to rule out ISP issues. Then sign out of your Google account and sign back in. Re-authenticate two-step verification if prompted, because stale tokens can block loading. After that, flush DNS and restart your router, or toggle a VPN to see if routing is the cause. Once these run, reload Gmail and observe error messages for clues. Finish with decisive fixes so Gmail loads reliably. Update your browser and operating system, then try the Gmail mobile app to determine if the issue is device-specific. If problems persist, reset browser settings or reinstall the browser and inspect firewall or antivirus rules that might block Google domains. Once done, test again. One troubleshooting tip: if Gmail still fails, open the browser console, copy any error messages, and use those exact errors when contacting support or searching help forums. They point directly to the root cause.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.